Hello and welcome back again, my friends. And first of all, my name is Beselin Petrus Amenta Stompo, and my student ID number is 20030500049. Uh, on this occasion, let me give you an explanation about my basic writing midterm test. About writing paragraph. The type of my paragraph. The type of my paragraph is organizing by time. Why? Because it is the paragraph that is using lists of time orders words or signal words and transition signals. First and then after that, finally, etc. And organizing by space because using signal words in front of and next to. These are my paragraph organizing by time. The yellow sentences is the topic sentences, the red sentences is the time order or the signal words, and the blue is the preposition. Let me read my paragraph to you. Sure, tempe is not foreign to our ears. This food is a traditional food that has long been a daily food for Indonesian peoples. It turns out that the process of making tempe is difficult. To make tempe, first all you have to do is wash the soybean seeds and then look for the air to boil. Usually after the boiling process, the soybean skin will be released. After that, clean the soybeans with running water so the skin is also removed. Then put into a container and mix with yeast. Then stir until evenly distributed. After that, put the yeast into a plastic container and let it sit for 2 days until the soybeans become tempe. And finally, the tempe is ready to fry and consume. So the yellow one is the topic sentence is sure tempe is not foreign to our ears. The red one is the time order or signal words is first, after that, then, and finally. And the blue one, the preposition, there are it, is, to, so, etc. So that's all for my paragraph organizing by time. So the supporting sentence in that paragraph is to make tempe. The supporting detail is first all you have to do is wash the soybean seeds and then look for the air to boil. Usually after the boiling process, the supporting detail is the soybean skin will be released. After that, clean the soybeans with running water. The supporting detail is so that the skin is also removed. And the last, then put into a container the supporting detail and let it sit for 2 days until the soybeans become tempe. The concluding sentence about my paragraph is the process of making tempe the daily traditional food of Indonesian people. So why these sentences is the concluding sentences? Because the sentence includes all the things contained in the paragraph above. These are my paragraph organizing by space. So the yellow one is the topic sentence, the red is the signal word, and the blue is preposition. So the Batam has many nice beaches is the topic sentence. One of the best beaches in the Batam is Vio Vio Beach. Vio Vio Beach is located in Galang, more precisely in front of Galang Island, next to Barelang Bridge number 6. Many people think that Vio Vio Beach is one of the best beaches in the Batam because the water is clear and warm during the day. Besides that, this beach also presents one of the natural beauties that God has created. So because of that, many people has considered it to be the best beach in the Batam. The supporting sentence is Vio Vio Beach is located on the 6th Barelang Bridge. Supporting detail more precisely in front of Galang Island. Many people think that Vio Vio Beach is one of the best beach in Batam. Supporting detail is because the water is clear and warm during the day. The concluding sentence is View View one of the best beaches in the Batam and the location. So are all sentences in my paragraph relevant and why? I think my paragraph is relevant because it is appropriate use signal words and organizing by time and preposition. Do you think you have already used punctuation and capitalization correctly, and why? I think is yes, because I know the placement of capital letters in the sentences. Make a proper pronunciation in paragraph. After using signal words, I use a comma and use a period at the end of each sentence. What about my transition signal? Are they appropriately used, and why? Yes, because I use it after the end of the detailed supporting and based on the needs of the paragraph. So do you think the writer or my paragraph has always used transition signal at the beginning of each sentence in the paragraph? Why, and explain it? I think no, because not all sentences are relevant if you use transition at the beginning of the paragraph. So that's all for my explanation about my paragraph and about my basic writing midterm test. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and thanks. See you again.